Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a video on the advancement of weather prediction technology. I believe weather forecasting has become an indispensable part of our daily lives. We can check the weather conditions for the next few days anytime on our phones to better plan our schedules. But how exactly is weather forecasting done? What are the technical principles behind it? Today I'll take you through the progression of weather prediction technology. To trace the origins of weather forecasting, we need to go back to early 19th century Britain. At that time, most people believed the weather was controlled by God and thus unpredictable. However, some scientists began trying to record and study weather phenomena scientifically. For example, Navy officer Beaufort devised a comprehensive wind force scale that categorized wind into 13 levels, allowing for accurate quantitative recording of wind force. British chemist Luke Howard classified different cloud shapes and created a taxonomy for clouds. It's fair to say their work laid the foundations for meteorology and later weather forecasting. In the mid-19th century, with the development of scientific instruments, people started using devices to measure temperature, air pressure, humidity and other parameters. By the late 19th century, meteorological instruments were very sophisticated. Not only were there weather stations on the ground, scientists even used hydrogen balloons to carry instruments up to 10,000 meters above ground to observe and record atmospheric conditions at high altitudes. Meanwhile, the invention of the telegraph allowed remote meteorological data to be transmitted rapidly. This made summarizing and analyzing regional weather conditions possible. On this basis, the world's first weather forecast was born in Britain. On August 1, 1861, Fitzroy of the British Royal Navy used his extensive sailing experience to aggregate meteorological data from various locations and produced the first weather forecast map, before publishing the first official weather forecast in the Times. This can be seen as the beginning of modern weather forecasting. Today's weather forecasting technology has advanced tremendously. The mainstream forecasting approach is numerical weather prediction. It works like this. Step 1. Collect meteorological data like temperature, humidity, air pressure through observation means such as ground stations, weather radars, satellites. Step 2. Use highly complex mathematical models to simulate the movements of weather systems, just like simulating a weather factory on computers. Step 3. Through computational calculations, simulate the future state of weather systems, i.e. weather changes. With numerical weather prediction, current technology can forecast basic weather conditions for 7 days ahead. But like all models, numerical prediction has errors and uncertainties. For example, it cannot predict sudden severe convective weather. This contributes to the sense that weather forecasts are inaccurate. So which directions will weather forecasting technology advance in? First, the forecast time range will expand. Now 7-day forecasts are common. 15-day or even month-long accurate forecasts may be possible in the future. Second, temporal and spatial resolution will improve. That means the minimum forecast time units and range will get smaller, down to hourly or 15-minute intervals, with minimum forecast area of a few hundred meters. This is crucial for disaster warning. Third, observation of high altitude and atmospheric regions will be enhanced. Currently, observation of high-altitude conditions is relatively weak, affecting accuracy. Fourth, integration with other domains will strengthen, creating greater application value. For instance, combining with transportation and logistics to improve efficiency, or financial sector to develop weather-based financial products. So what insights does the advancement of weather tech offer? First, innovations do not appear from thin air. They require continual accumulation on existing foundations. Second, establishing common languages and standards is key for effective innovation. Third, predicting the future always carries uncertainties, grasp probabilities and risks. Fourth, technology should integrate with and serve the wider social systems, not in isolation. That's all for today. Feel free to share your thoughts on weather forecasting tech in the comments. Thank you for watching, see you next time.